back to my channel, travelers and fellow fruit enthusiasts. In today's video, we are going to be discussing this fruit. Do you know the name of this fruit here in Peru? I know you probably know it in English, but what do we call this fruit? Do you know? Oh yeah, I forgot my intro. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Happy to have you here. My name is Stef and I love to give travel advice to people traveling to Peru. My intention is to give you an authentic experience of Peru, to help keep you safe, to help you know what to expect and to be prepared for it. So yeah, that's what my channel is about. And if you like my content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. In continuation with my Peruvian fruit series, you can check out my playlist on Peruvian fruit here at the top corner when you're done watching this video. Today we are discussing carambola, okay? Carambola. Apparently, as per my research, carambola is actually a word that is of Portuguese origin. And somehow we adopted that into our language and we still call this carambola today. Carambola in English is called starfruit because it has the shape of a star, which I am surprised we didn't just call that in Spanish. Like, who came up with this word carambola? Why couldn't we just say like fruta de estrella or something like that? You know what I mean? Carambola is a fruit that is super rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. According to the internet, if you have kidney issues, you should speak to your doctor before consuming carambola, okay? I'm letting you know right now. I love the smell of this fruit because similar to manto, if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it up here, but it has like a tropical smell to it. It smells so good, to me at least, but do not be deceived by its delicious tropical smell because this thing is sour. Supposedly, according to the internet, you will find this with sweet and sour notes, but your girl has only ever had this with really sour notes, and I'm scared to try this today. When you bite into this, you will probably taste a hint of citrus, and some people describe its taste as a cross between a grape and an apple. I literally don't know how to describe this other than it's sour, and I'm already getting uncomfortable thinking about biting into this. Once again, here in Peru, I haven't really seen a whole lot done with this fruit in terms of like Peruvian cuisine. I've only ever really seen this used as a little decorative thing for special little mixed drinks, you know, tropical drinks that you have at the bar, the club, or whatever. And they'll like slice up a little star and then put it on the edge of your drink, and that's that. However, upon doing research on this fruit before doing this video, so I could give you all the best information, you can make juice out of this. You can make even cake or popsicles or marmalade. And so there are infinite possibilities for starfruit. You just gotta be willing to experiment and try them out. Now, how you prepare juice, for example, from starfruit is supposedly you'll need maybe about 4 of these at bare minimum to make a juice out of this, and you cut off the ends, and then you can cut off this little stuff here on the sides. Okay, so you cut off the ends and then these little things, and then you chop it up, and then you can throw it into a blender. 4 of these, okay? More or less, maybe a little bit more, and some water, and then you blend it, and then you put it through a strainer, and you add some sugar, and voila, that is your starfruit juice or your carambola juice. If you want to toss this into a smoothie, I highly suggest you add some really sweet fruits to your smoothie blend because this is really sour and tart. So you got to add some sweetness. If you decide to slice this up in order to get the little star shapes, you can use the little stars to like decorate a fruit platter and make it look super cute for your Instagram or your TikToks. And speaking of fruit platters, starfruit pairs really well with pineapple, mango, and papaya. I'm guessing you could even make little salsas or chutneys with carambola if you just chop it up really tiny with other little fruits or things, you know, that you use to make the salsa or the chutney, and you just throw it in there. Now it's the moment we all have been waiting for me to endure the pain of this fruit. I don't want to eat this fruit, but I'm doing it for you guys in the name of the people on YouTube. I didn't cut off the little things in the corners because I was too lazy. God help me. Oh my God, it's a miracle. Okay. It is definitely not as sour as the last one I had. So now I'm going to go through the process of cutting out these little things on the corners so I can eat it without a problem. and we shall see how this goes. Hallelujah! I finally got one that isn't like super sour and tart. This actually has some sweetness to it. Maybe it's because I bless my food. I'm telling y'all, y'all need to always bless your food, okay? Because it'd be doing some miracles. Look, there's like some seeds. Ooh, no! Water on my laptop! Liquids! No! I think the away manto was like more sour than this, to be honest. Like some of those away mantos I had the other day were really sour. So there is a difference between sour and tart. I just can't explain it. Like I think tart has kind of like a tangy-ish taste to it versus sour is like I think of the sour candies. It's like too intense where you're like, oh, it's like that. This is actually okay. And that's what it looks like. Focus, camera, focus. You know, if I put this in a fruit salad with like pineapple, mango, and stuff, it would probably absorb the sweetness of the other fruits and it would probably be even more delicious. So I should try this in the future. Yeah, it's pretty good. I actually like this. First time I actually like this fruit. Anyway, the description on its flavor between like citrus, grape, apple, I find that pretty accurate. It is somewhere around there for sure. Okay, travelers, that is it for this video. Oh my god, I just recorded 3 more videos in a row. What? Batching my content, getting ahead of my schedule. What schedule though? I'm so random and spontaneous, and I always have the intention to stick to a certain routine, and I will for a while, and then life happens. So be happy that you have these videos while you got them. Okay, people, my ring light died, so it's time for me to go. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and you're excited to try carambola when you come to Peru, give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below that you are excited to try this fruit. Or you can let me know what your experience was like when you did try carambola here in Peru or in other places. Once again, if you want to stay in touch with me on social media, you can find me on TikTok and Instagram as Evolving with Stef. I'll have my link in the description of this video for you to go hang out with me there. I just share more about myself and my thoughts and my life and whatever I feel like sharing. As always, my friends, stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!